Howdy y'all, welcome back to Camchack Productions. Today we are going to be talking about the Colu Clean, which is this little thing right here. This is a backcountry bidet, and it is supposed to take the place of toilet paper when you're out in the backcountry, hiking, camping. If you need to go, this is supposed to clean that back end. So I thought we would take this video and I am going to put this to the test, explore how it works, show you what it looks like, how it works, and we're gonna see if it actually cleans my booty hole. So let's dive into it. Sorry, I know that's gross. As Uncle Roger would say, sorry children.
Uncle Roger loves to deep throat flavor. Sorry, children.
But let's find out if a backcountry bidet is worth all the hype. All right, y'all, so this is how this works. This little plastic piece here actually goes and fits right onto the top of your water bottle. The instructions say to make it easier that you should pour some water on the bidet, and then all you do is you take it and you push it down until whatever size water bottle, you can see there's two different sizes that it'll fit, is all the way down. And then you just take it and you squeeze. Woo! So when you're done doing your biz, take it behind you and you give it that little squeeze. But as you can see, you're gonna need some water to do this. So might not be the best idea for super dry climates like the desert or something like that, but doesn't take much to get a nice little stream of water running right out of this thing. And I picked this water bottle because I knew that it would be able to break down and I can just kind of move it around and hold it. So once it becomes time to do some business, we'll actually give this a shot and see if it's worth it. But I think it's a cool concept. If it replaces toilet paper, I'm definitely down to check it out. All right, y'all. So the way that this works, once you're done doing your business, you find your little notch here and you give it your little squeeze. So you turn around. Ooh. Oh. And squeeze it. Now, again, you don't want it right underneath you, right? You want to give it a little angle. But I do have to say, it's quite nice. All right. So once you're done, now the question is, do you need a towel or not? Or do you just drip dry or realize that maybe you're going to be a little wet? So who knows, right? Find out. I have to say, I feel very clean. Very, very clean.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
All right, y'all. So here are my final thoughts on this. This Colu Clean is awesome. As long as you are in a place where you have water, if you're in a dry climate, if you're in the desert or you're doing a dry overland water haul, this thing is not going to work so well. But my overall opinion is this little thing is going to replace most of my toilet paper. I'll always carry a little bit just in case, but I think whenever I'm up someplace where there's a river, a lake, a stream, something like that, the Colu Clean is going to be my go-to. I thought this was awesome. I've used this twice now. I used it last night. I used it this morning. I did not have to use any toilet paper, and this little thing does a really good job. So I am curious to keep putting it through the test, but as of right now, I am a fan of Colu Clean. I am a bidet user. I think it is really a great idea. And I gotta say, I feel cleaner than I normally do. I feel like everything down there is in a good space. So overall, I am recommending this. You know, $10 piece of gear is well worth it, and I highly recommend picking one up. You know, you could probably make your own, but this thing works really, really good, and it gives you a good solid stream. I was really surprised with how much pressure, I guess. So from now on, this will be going with me. This will probably be staying home. And, you know, sanitary wise, I think it's probably a lot easier to deal with this as well. So overall, I am pretty stoked with the the Colu Clean. It's in the kit. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go down, hit that like button. If you're feeling super generous, subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you all back in the next video. Be well, my friends. Not bad. No bad at all.
I'm guessing that helmet isn't coming off again.
This is the way.
This is the way.
Oh, coffee, coffee, coffee. Oh, finally.